Now I'm at workshop preview. I already have a file, but if it's your first time, then probably you won't see anything. This is the empty state. So if I refresh, if you open this website after you log in and stuff, this should be what you'll see if you go to the workshop. Now you can upload files by using this file picker. Let's see. Here is a file that I found online. It's a Hello Spring pattern, which is very beautiful. I'll provide a link below for the original URL. So first is I click this upload button. That's what you need to do. And then I click this file name. And then a new panel will pop up. It's the controller. You'll be able to view the animation and you can stop early. It will revert to the original state. And then you can view some details like the jump stitches, X trims. Please let me know if you want to see more details. And you can also adjust the animation speed. You can adjust it beforehand or actually during the animation as well. You'll be able to adjust. And there's two ways you can download. One is via here. See, you'll be able to download. The second way of downloading is on the controller panel, right next to this file name. You'll see this link. You can also click. If you finish viewing and you don't want to see this and you want to go back to the blank screen, you can close. And these panels are all collapsible. Okay, so this is how you upload a file and view it. Now, let's say you want to share this. Let's imagine the scenario one is you want to share it publicly. For example, you've done a embroidery file and then you want to show this digitization on Reddit, for example, or like Discord. And you can do it by click on the share. As long as you are the owner, you can share, right? There's a link. This is the link, right? I copied here, and this is the link. You won't see anything. You won't see anything because it's not publicly readable. If you want everybody to read it, you need to enable it like this. You refresh the incognito. Now you'll be able to see, and the same controller and this SVG. If you want somebody to download it, then click this and refresh. After refresh, you'll see the little download button right here. Okay, so now if you want to share to somebody specific and you don't want to share to public, you can type in their username. So how to view your username is here. If you click on your avatar, it's under info. If you don't give the username by default, it's your email address. Here now this left window is the person that uploads the file and want to share to somebody else. This is probably you. And then uh, top right, this window is somebody else that's logged in. It's another account of mine, and you can view the username. See, it's different, right? And this is the public, which is probably somebody clicking on social media. This person, this person doesn't have any file right now, and if you want to share it to somebody, so specifically, then he or she will be able to see it. Now, if you share, right, and then you click reload, you'll be able to see it, but you can't delete, you can't share. Oh, okay. So I was tricked. Actually, I was tricked. I thought it was a bug, but it's not a bug. It's public downloadable, so this guy can download for sure. Now, if I revoke to these permissions, right? First of all, we won't be able to see publicly. Secondly, if we try to download again, it doesn't work. It doesn't download for you, right? And If you refresh, you won't even click the button. Now, one more thing about this sharing, right? You see this feature request? I'm asking about which feature you want to see next. So maybe I was thinking about commenting the ones that you might see on other collaboration software where you can put, like, for example, let me give you an example, like, right, if you load this embroidery file on like a certain position, for example, oh, I see this leaf, it needs some improvement, so I can comment on this, and it will like there will be a button here you can click and you'll see a comment. So this is the common feature I was thinking about, and maybe like right. So for right, it's more complicated. I haven't solid idea on it yet because I was also thinking about like if I can somehow modify the files, like be a very simple embroidery, like a digitization software where I can do some like simple changes. So in that case, you might need a write uh, a write permission or a deletion permission. Maybe you want somebody to delete for you, or I think it might not be that helpful. I don't know. Or whatever else you want to see implemented in this piece of software, please let me know. You can email me at this address or you can just comment down below, whatever you like. Thanks for watching and hope you find it useful.